Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to crochet in rows. This is a basic technique you will use in most crochet projects. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. After you finish your first row, chain the right number of stitches to give your row the right height. For single crochet, chain 1. For half double crochet, chain 2. For double crochet, chain 3. I will do chain 1 for single crochet. Then turn your work around. Insert your hook into the first stitch of the previous row. This is the first chain I just made, and this is the first stitch of the previous row. Yarn over and complete your stitch. Yarn over again and pull through. Keep going across the row. Make stitches in each stitch from previous row. When you reach the end, chain the appropriate number of stitches again. Turn your work and start the next row. Just keep repeating this process to build your project. And that's it. You are now crocheting in rows. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.